Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model because it has some very striking predictions for Bitcoin over the next couple of years. In fact, according to the stock-to-flow model, we should be about to be entering one of the largest bull markets and one of the largest rallies that Bitcoin has ever seen. I kid you not, we're looking at a $100,000 price prediction in the next 6 to 12 months. In fact, it's probably going to happen a lot sooner than that, and we have a lot of evidence to back that up, so we got a lot of great content to cover in today's video. If you do enjoy, make sure to like the video and also consider subscribing. But without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Stock-to-flow model suggests second leg of Bitcoin bull market imminent. According to Plan B, the brainchild behind the highly debated Bitcoin stock-to-flow model, the Bitcoin bull market is not yet over. In a tweet on August the 18th, the analyst posed an update of the model showing that the target white line and on-chain pricing signals indicate that we're still in the middle of this cycle. I have the tweet right here, and as you can see, based on the fact that we have now seen a Bitcoin halving event, it happened about 18 months ago, we should be seeing a price target on Bitcoin well into the hundreds of thousands. In fact, I have Plan B's model up over here, and it actually says that we should be trading right now around $107,000 all the way up to $130,000 before the next halving event takes place. Now, the reason that this is so important is because Bitcoin's valuation has a whole lot to do with the stock-to-flow ratio of Bitcoin. There is a misconception around this model that the stock-to-flow model and the stock-to-flow ratio are the same thing. They're not. The stock-to-flow ratio is the ratio of the stock, which is the total amount of an asset in existence, so for Bitcoin's case, 18.7 million, to its flow, which is the total amount of annual flow or increase in that stock year over year. On Bitcoin, it is a certain number. The stock is 18.7 million. You bring those together, you make a ratio out of it, and Bitcoin stock-to-flow ratio is around 57 right now. The higher that ratio, the more scarce a commodity is, and therefore the better it is at storing value. Gold has a very high stock-to-flow ratio, and that tells us why it retains its value over time. Now, what Plan B, the analyst who is remains pseudonymous, has done is he's created a model based off the stock-to-flow ratio to predict the valuation of Bitcoin. His prediction, as you can see here, has been very accurate over the course of the last 10 years of Bitcoin pricing data. But I also want you to notice that we have spent quite a bit of time above the stock-to-flow pricing prediction here between 2011 and 2015. We were right on it from 2015 to 2018, and recently we've been a little bit below the price model. I think his price model of the stock-to-flow ratio is a little bit aggressive, but in general, I agree with his model for the most part. And I do agree with his prediction that right now, we should be around $108,000 based on stock-to-flow. And according to what he is saying, he thinks that we're going to go there very soon. And I quote, "In my opinion, we are going up first to 100K, then to 288K. Plan B and his stock-to-flow model has not yet been wrong in the entire history of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, so I want to hear your take. Is Bitcoin about to rally all the way back to $100,000+ before the end of the year, as Plan B, I believe, thinks is going to happen? Do you think we're going to $288,000 during this bull cycle? I want to hear your thoughts on that in the comment section down below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We are bringing you guys updates 7 days a week. We post nearly 30 videos every single week here on the Crypto Jeb YouTube channel, and also make sure to like the video if you haven't already. And by the way, guys, in case you haven't already, you should definitely check out the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy. We have over 45 videos and 15 hours of high-quality educational content. And by the way, as soon as I'm done recording this video, I'm recording a new video on hash ribbons that'll be going out to the Academy in the next week and a half or so. So make sure you join CT2A. You're going to get access to all current and all that future content that we put in the Cryptocurrency Technical Analysis Academy. So make sure to check the link for that. It is in the description box down below. We've helped over 5,000 students become better and more profitable technical analysts, traders, and investors, and I want you to be one of them as well. Anyway, guys, that's all I got for you today. Before we go, though, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.